everyone.
Thank you for tuning in to Cook with April on Tasty Tuesday. Today we're going to be making a banana cream pie. I love banana cream pies. They're so good. I love banana pudding, banana anything. And this is inspired by our son Jacob because he likes bananas. He's a banana addict. Anyways, it's going to have a Biscoff pie crust. So let's get started, you guys. So let's go over the ingredients. You'll need 4 bananas. I know that sounds like a lot, but it takes a lot of bananas to slice up and put into a pie pan, so slice up those bananas. You'll also need white sugar, all-purpose flour, 2 cups of milk, 4 beaten egg yolks, so you can see the egg whites for like an egg white omelet or something, butter, salt, and vanilla extract. For the crust, you'll need Biscoff cookies. Those are so delicious. I use a package and a half of the Biscoff cookies and about 6 tablespoons of butter. And you're gonna wanna melt that butter. So let's begin with the pie crust, which is really simple. You'll need a food processor and you're gonna place the Biscoff cookies as well as the butter. What I like to do is I like to place the Biscoff cookies. I like to grind that up in a nice fine consistency, and then I add the butter. I grind it up a little bit more, and then I notice with the food processor it doesn't combine all of the stuff together completely, so I have to like remove the top and mix it together. And then after that, you're ready to place onto a pie pan. I use a 9-inch glass pie pan, and I just use my fingers to kind of pat it down. And once you're done with that, you bake it at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. So for the banana pudding, you guys, in a saucepan, you're ready to mix the flour, sugar, and salt. Just mix that up without the heat on quite yet, and then turn up the heat to a medium. I chose number 3 on mine, and I went ahead and I gradually added the 2 cups of milk. So this process is the process that takes the longest because you want to keep stirring. You want to dissolve the granulated white sugar, and you want to mix in that flour. So you continue to stir until you kind of notice that the milk is becoming a little bit bubbly. And then after that, you're ready to add the egg. So add the egg gradually and mix really fast because you don't want the egg to cook like in clumps. You want it to really be combined in everything. So just keep mixing and mixing, and then you are ready to turn off the heat once it's completely mixed, and you're gonna notice that it's gonna get a little thick. So that's when you're ready to add the butter, the vanilla extract, mix that in really good. And do you guys see how it's really thick now? It's perfect that way. So you're ready to place that aside. So that probably took you about 10 minutes or so, and that also means that your pie crust is ready. You do need to let that cool down, and you can also let the, the pudding part cool down as well, and that might take about 10 minutes or so, or even a lot longer. But once it's done, you're ready to place the bananas on top of the pie crust. And then once you have placed all of your bananas on top of the pie crust, you are ready to add the pudding right on top. So just like keep scooping all the pudding out and place it right on top. I like to kind of just like smooth it over and make sure every piece of the pie has a good amount of pudding. We're almost done, you guys. All we have to do is bake at 350 degrees for about 12 minutes. So I went ahead and did that. And then once you're done baking for 12 minutes, take it out of the heat. And put it in your fridge for about an hour or 2. The longer you leave it in the fridge, the harder your banana cream pie will get. I waited about an hour just because, I'm filming, and it turned out perfectly, you guys. It is so good. And of course, optional whipped cream, but I don't think that's an option, my friends. You just gotta get yourself some whipped cream. You can make your own, or you can just buy some. I just bought some Ready Whip, and now we are ready for the taste tester. You guys, we let it cool for that hour.
My goodness.
And now we got taste tester.
You
guys don't know, I love banana cream pie so much. I'm sure Jacob too, but nope, Jacob's not having any. I already had some, you guys. It was so good.
Oh my gosh.
Like, I was like, whoo.
This is incredible.
Yeah, honey, yes it is. Okay, am I just tooting my own horn? Because I was loving me some banana cream pie.
Let me break this down a little bit.
Yes, please do. Go ahead.
First of all, the pie crust is
incredible.
It's not like, those like I'm sorry to say, the store-bought pie crusts, they're not always the best. They're sometimes too brittle, they're too sweet. This is absolutely delicious. Pretty simple, right?
Oh,
And
the
then
easiest.
like the banana cream custard
Oh,
with
yeah.
the bananas inside. It's so flavorful, not too sweet. With the whipped cream
Oh, mind
and
blown.
some additional bananas on top.
And the crust
This is legit. I need a cup
drops
of
the
coffee.
mic. Just kidding.
Seriously, let's do a mic drop around here. Well, we can't. We have our mic hooked up over there.
But it's good, you guys. It's so good. You won't like it if you
So
don't like
good.
bananas. Let me tell you that.
Yeah, you gotta like bananas for this dish.
Obviously.
Oh my gosh, this is so good.
Yes, it is. Oh my god. And Justin, okay, so whenever I bake, I send it to, you know, Liam and Jacob's daycare, preschool. And Justin, and I was like telling Justin, I'm like, should I just save us one to like split? And he's like, yeah. And I'm like, you better believe I put an extra one in the fridge for us. You know, just an extra, but it's so good, you guys. I love it.
Good job.
And how are you guys liking this new video format? Oh my gosh, thanks to Nick. He edits my cooking videos. He is amazing. So Nick, thank you. Yeah, but thank you guys so very much for watching. Check us out on our vlog, April Justin TV. And also I have another channel, April Tina 7. I do shop with me at Costco. I do Dollar Tree hauls. I do makeup tutorials, mom videos, TMI videos, you know, all of that. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
That is so good.
Oh my gosh.
Mm-hmm.